shall we go today? Let's go to a place I know.